Hello everyone, we're making Hamantaschen for the Jewish holiday called Purim.
3/4 of butter in room temperature in your mixer.
2/3 of sugar measuring from the same cup.
Mix them up until they're fluffy like ours.
Add 1 egg in room temperature into your mixing bowl and then pour it. Add 1 vanilla.
Add an orange zest. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Now add 2 cups and 1/4 cup of plain flour in the bowl. Roll up your sleeves and start mixing until it becomes a crumbly dough. You might need to add just a bit of water.
Now that your dough is ready, you need to cover it up in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. 3 hours later, take it out of your plastic wrap and put it on a baking sheet of paper with a bit of flour.
Now get a rolling pin and try to straighten it out. If you don't have a rolling pin or you have a small one, you can use a cup to roll it.
You need to flatten it this thick and you need a cookie cutter, but if you don't have one, you can use a cup and cut it like this.
Now that we are done cutting the dough into circles, we are going to add the fillings. What we picked is jam and Nutella. And please remember to preheat your oven to 180 degrees.
Take some spread with your spoon and place it in the center of your circle. You need to make it into a triangle like this.
Now that we're done with our Hamantaschen, you can see how some of them are different shapes because all our family tried to make them. And now you'll need to bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. Tips: don't use too much filling because then when you bake it, it will open up. Make sure that you pinch the corners very well. If you make them, Happy Purim!